Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So in this video, I'll be teaching the full chorus and the post chorus. So starting from the chorus, the first 8 counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start with the lower body first. You're going to move your legs and twist them to the left, left. Okay, along with your feet, take them to the left, knees facing to the left side. This is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, take your legs up. 1. Okay? 1, like you stand in your place and then move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, like stand, left, stand, left. Now, for your upper body, take your hands and make a cross in front of you. So you're going to be switching your cross with the left hand in front first and then switch to the right. So 1, left in front, 2, right in the front. So switch, switch, left, right, left, right. So 1, 2, then you're going to go 3, 4. On 3, 4, take your hands out, palms are facing out, and you're going to take your right palm forward, forward, okay, forward, forward, and the left hand to the back. So 1, 2. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right, 3, 4. Okay, all together you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and up. Okay, this is on 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 7, 8. The next count after going 5, 6, 7, 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so we lifted our right leg up on 8. Then we're gonna go 1, 2 from 8. Your right leg is up. Take your right leg and swing it from left, right, okay, at the back of your left leg. So left, right, left, right. And your hands with your palms up are going left, right, along with your right foot. Okay, so 1, 2, then on 3, 4, take your palms and like do a circle. So after doing 1, right, circle, and to the left. So 1, 2, circle. Your legs were going right, left, and like just keep your right leg still when you're doing the circle. Kind of try to like move it around along with the circle, but you can just go left, right, circle. Okay, and while doing this part you have to jump. So while doing like swinging from left to right, jump, jump, 1, 2. Okay, move your body like to the right, left. Okay, like just follow your entire body whenever you swing from right to left and circle. So one more time, this part is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4. After doing 4, you're going to jump in your place to bring your legs out to do the next move, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after doing 4, bring your legs out, jump and go to the left. Your legs are also moving to the left. Okay, twist them to the left side and take your hand, your right hand is going out. Take your left hand and bring it in. So look to the left. Imagine you're running to the left, to the right. So left and right. Now bring your right arm in, left arm is going out. So 1, 2, okay, and like kind of bounce, bounce, okay, like you're jumping out, okay. So after we did 4, 5, okay, so 5, you just jump and start moving to the left, to the right. So 4, 5, 6, where you gonna go? 7. So on 7, after doing 6 like this, take your arms out, look down. Okay, you're gonna look down, and bring your heels up. So we did right and 7. So left, right, 7. You're going to jump on 8. So let's repeat this part again from left. So we did 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now let's repeat this part. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And jump on 8. On 1, you're going to jump and prepare for this part. So like jump, like looking to the left, so you end up here. Take your left hand and put it underneath your right arm and point to the left side, and you're going to turn and move all the way to the other side. But like not only your upper body, but also your feet, they're moving, okay, from left to right. So all together, use all your body to move from left to right. This is on 1, 2, 3, then 4. On 4, after doing this, clap, taking your left hand up and your right hand down. Clap, and your right leg is going up like this. So right leg is going up while you clap. So after 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And after 4, you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. So bring your legs out, 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 out 4 times. Okay? So out, in, and also like kind of jump, jump, jump. For the upper body in this part, just keep your hands down on 5, 6, then on 7, 8, take your hands up as we did before, and right is going forward 2 times, and right, right. So it is 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's repeat from after we jumped. So we did 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the last 8 counts of the chorus, you're going to repeat the same thing we did before, the same sequence. Repeat it again. This part, swing to the right, left, circle, and run to the left, run to the right, and jump. You're going to jump really, really high for the next part, that is the post chorus. You're going to jump really, really high and jump looking to the right, like this. So like take your legs up to go directly to the right side. After 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this was the end of the chorus. Let's repeat this entire part with count to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. So now I'll be teaching the post chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we jumped to look to the right side, we're going to walk, like not walk, jump to the right side, to the other side. So we did up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, end up by kicking your left foot. And your hands is just, this is all freestyle. You can just throw your hands out, both of your hands, left, right. This is like just the way you want to do it. So after jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna go 7, 8. So take your your left hand, down, like grab your pants, and take your right hand up, okay? And you're going to move your hips to the right, okay? In a circle, right, right. From here, after we did 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's hold it here for 1, 2, pose, then 3, 4. This is the second pose. Take your right foot to the other side, face the back, but you're looking forward. Okay, your right arm is just like doing this. Okay, this is the second pose. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go 5, 6. So what I'm following James for this part. After posing for the second time, you're going to clap, take this leg, the left leg, take it forward, bring it forward, and step and clap. So 2, so 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, clap, and then 6. Take your hands in, okay, on 6. So we did 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then you're gonna go 7, 8. So as we did before, now you're going to swing your hips to the left, but now left arm is down, okay, and your right arm is like grabbing your shirt on 7, 8. So we pose on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's repeat from the beginning. From 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then after this, it's just easy because you're going to repeat the same thing we did at the beginning and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go down. So let's repeat this part one more time and join it with the last count. So after doing 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Okay, and go down. And this was the end of the entire post chorus. We have done the chorus and the post chorus. Now let's practice the post chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.